Can you all see and hear me now? Yes? Okay. I'm so sorry, what was that? Chalo, let me start. Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your chemistry master teacher at Vedantu. Welcome to the session. Is my voice fine? Am I audible and visible, everyone? Yes? Am I audible and visible? Everything good? Okay then. So before I start the session here, I have a small message for all of you. As you all know, chemistry is considered as the central science, as such expected to play a major role in fighting the coronavirus. Do you think chemistry is helping us to fight against coronavirus? What do you think, people? What do you think? Yes? Because, for example, from hand sanitizers to the vaccine, we need chemists and the engineers. Because of the pandemic, the researchers have expanded their research because of the pandemic. And they have been working non-stop and out of their comfort zone so that people like us can fight against COVID and can prevent the third wave. So it's time where we appreciate, we recognize their contributions. I want all of you applaud for all the contributions and for all the hard work our chemists and the chemical engineers and everyone out there have been doing so that we can stop the mutation of the virus, we can stop the death of any one of us, right? Yes. Come on. Let's applaud. Hello, hello, hi everyone, hello. Yes, but even though we know that chemistry is helping us to fight against COVID, but the question is how, right? So what are those things that scientists have come up? Do we have a weapon to fight against those numerous mutations, the numerous variants? This session will answer all those questions. So are you ready? Yes or no? Ready? Hello, hello, hello everyone. So this is what we will be discussing in today's session, how chemistry has helped everyone to fight against coronavirus. Of course, the contribution is like really high, and but most of it will go unrecognized, right? That should not happen. As students who are studying, who are learning chemistry, it is very important for us to know, okay, let's see what everyone out there are doing or in what way they are helping us to fight against coronavirus, and hence I bring you this important session. Yes? Okay. Hello, hello, hello. So, but before that, before starting the session, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends, because it is very important for the world to know how the chemistry is helping, right? Yes. That's okay, Naman, that's okay. Okay, let's start. You have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, share this video with your friends and make sure to hit the like button. Yes, thank you so much, Pranav. Hit the bell icon as well. Smash it in the morning. Okay. So are you ready? I guess you all are, because I could see the Josh in the chat section. And I'm so sorry for what happened at the beginning. I have no idea. I'm like, something is happening, earthquake ho raha hai. So I was like, okay, I freaked out for a while. So chemistry researchers, they are fighting COVID-19 on several fronts, right? So this is how it is now. So it is COVID against the entire world, and there are people who are standing in the front line fighting against the virus. And of course, chemistry researchers are also one of them. From pharmacy to people who are providing those masks, sanitizers, to people who are manufacturing vaccine which will work against all the mutated variants out there. So the contribution is like, it has to be appreciated, right? है ना? Yes, thank you so much. So projects range from better COVID-19 testing to stopping the virus altogether. Pranav, that is the, like, you know, it's not only this COVID, you know, SARS virus. Every virus can actually mutate based on the environment it is in. So that maybe that is the reason a lot of research is going on to understand what environment can that virus survive in, and in which environment can we completely destroy it. So that is the major issue for all the researchers, scientists out there. So they are constantly working on it. Yes. Okay. So chemistry based research institutions, there are so many, right? There are so many. We already have done a session on institutions, top 10 institutes, right? Yes. So companies of all the sizes, I'm not saying only those branded companies are working. No, even the small company, it is so nice to see everyone coming out together so that we can stop this. And of all sizes, they are refocusing their efforts towards discovering more about virus, because as we all know, we have delta plus variant, so many variants. It keeps mutating, so it is very important for us to know more about the virus and how can you develop improved testing technologies, है ना? Because most of the time, you know, we don't know whether that particular person has COVID or not. So if there is a technology where you can test a lot of people in very small amount of time, then we can start with the treatment as well, है ना? So that is what most of the chemistry based research institutions are working on, and eventually you can create a vaccine. So at first I feel like it is very important for us to know what kind of virus is it, right? Once we can know more about it, maybe eventually we can come out with a better vaccine as well, है ना? Yes. So many offer services or devices that are already use cutting edge chemical science to measure smaller samples or achieve greater or higher throughput. So chemistry is essential at every step of our response to the virus, from detecting virus to treating it, right, to preventing it. So you need chemistry in all the steps. So we usually do not see in that perspective, right? We are like, okay, virus is there, this is biology, completely biology, or this is related to medicine. But look at the importance of chemistry in each and every step, right? Yes. So technicians are providing the specialist skills needed to run tests, maintain equipment and manage laboratory supplies. So how do you supplies? You know, like you must have learned about those different separation techniques, the centrifugation, chromatography and all that, right? Everything comes under chemistry. So to know to detect a virus, again it's related to chemistry, right? Yes. What was your doubt? No, Bhumi, they are not. So I have done a video, YT shots on Delta Plus, yes. On the day it was announced as, okay, it's a variant of concern. So that's when we did it. We did a YT shots on that. Okay. So next point is the chemical science community's role in our global response to COVID-19 from the science of healthcare for those with the virus. So what is the first thing? So what we did is we collected, okay, we went through lots of articles which that particular institute they have published and all that, and we have picked some very, very important points how these companies or these research institutions are working, or how are they managing to tackle the virus inside and out. So Mediceve, what they are doing is, it's a London based company which has set out a vision to build a system capable of detecting a range of diseases. Because of this COVID-19, how it has affected the lives of billions of people out there, now we have realized the need of a very good detector which is capable of detecting a range of diseases. So a team of 12 scientists, researchers, engineers and legal experts, they are trying to develop a revolutionary filtration system similar to that of a dialysis machine. You know about the dialysis machine, right? To to target and remove blood-borne pathogens such as harmful cell, bacteria, toxins and inflammatory cytokines. Isn't that wonderful? Right? Like, you know how the dialysis works. So because your kidney is not functioning, so instead we are using a dialysis machine. In the same way, they are developing a filtration system which can remove the blood-borne pathogens. Had you ever thought about it? This could be done. What do you think, people? Yes? Isn't that like great? Exactly, learn something new. We have no idea now, and because of the melting of those icebergs, the viruses which were there, they are all coming out now. Suraj, I have synthesized few compounds, yes, so I can say yes. Using magnets, the system is able to specifically extract unwanted disease from the body by binding to the pathogen. Oh my god, this is so interesting, right? This is really very interesting, because imagine just like attracting the pathogens and then removing it out, right? Hannah? Isn't that great? Like, I too have never thought in that way. Yes, using magnets, the system is able to extract unwanted diseases or the disease causing pathogens. That's really nice. See what and all science can do. And it's all about your thoughts. That's it. You will think of something and your team will come together. You will start working on it. That's all. So let's see what Chief Technology Officer from this company has to say about this new revolutionary filtration system. So certain things always seem impossible until you try. Very true, right? When you look at, like JEE or NEET or your board exam, you're like, can I become a topper? Can I score 100 on 100? How will we know? Try. Go for it. Have that vision, okay, I am going to do it. Right? And then you might get it. Otherwise also, it's a lesson for you. Yes. So, and in these extremely challenging times, we are seeing real innovation fueled by the desire to make a difference. So this is not like, these companies are not doing it for themselves, right? Now they know, people knew, they realized, okay, the world needs a better equipment to get rid of this virus. Okay, let's make one. They are not sitting there and waiting for others to make it. So everyone, whoever is working in any field, they are trying to make a difference. And that is something, this is a great lesson for all of you out there. It is very important, right? If I sit in a lab, I'm like, what? That COVID, which has killed so many people, you think I can do something against it? No way. Because we see ourselves here, where our capacity is here. Right? We can achieve a lot of things with the positive mindset, and these amazing people, they are showing it. Yes. Okay. So next is Chem versus COVID Patronos. So these people are working on the sanitizers and the hand washing and all that. It's a Malaysian energy company. So they have been proactive in doing its part to tackle the virus from the beginning, okay? From working with its partners in formula to develop respirators, to embracing home working and donating goods and materials to help with manufacture of PPE or other essential. So they have started working together. One more point to learn from. It's not like, okay, I want to become a topper or I want to achieve something, let me work on it alone. No, you have your team, you have your friends. So when maybe people with the same vision, when they come together, the rate of success will be higher, I guess. Do you think so? Do you believe in that? I always have believed in group work. Right? See, they have started working with its partners in Formula 1 to develop respirators, and they are helping in whatever the way they can. See, from donating goods and materials so that they can prepare these PPE kits. That's really, really nice. है ना? Yes. So what the Nurida Mohammed Yusuf, the head of the centralized lab of this particular research company, what they said is, so like they are turning their attention to how they can help as chemists, because they are something who knows very well, like okay, if you mix these, maybe I can get a better sanitizer, right? Maybe using these materials I can manufacture a better PPE kit. And they are giving their 100% and they are using it in a most effective way so that they can help everyone out there, especially the frontliners. So what he has to say is, being scientists, we started discussing about formulating a medical grade hand sanitizer to be distributed internally. Because for those frontliners who come in contact with that virus every single day, they have to be kept safe first, right? Their safety is very, very important. Such nice thoughts. है ना? Got it? Very good. See, that's what I'm trying to say. I want you to tell me what are the takeaways from all these sessions. है ना? It is very important. It's a company, Bhumi. It's a company. It's a research institute. Oh, and they have started this new thing. This is very interesting. Mask testing spray shortage prompts call for assistance. So what happens is, sometimes we are wearing mask, but it will be here or here. है ना? So what they have done is a shortage of solutions essential to test the effectiveness of face masks for medics. Okay, usually for this is again for the frontliners who are working closely with the patients or maybe the virus, everything. So it has resulted in call for universities, distillers and the breweries to help meet the shortfall. What they are doing is that particular spray, it consists of a very strong tasting fluid. Either it will taste too bitter or too sweet. So what happens, whether you are wearing the mask properly, whether it has been fitted properly or not, you will get to realize when they spray this mask. They spray this liquid. That's nice, right? So once if it is fitted properly, then obviously those droplets which can also, which will facilitate the entry of that virus into your body can be avoided. Yes? Okay, who is that? I know, this is so nice, so nice. So it will tell you, okay, it will be that spray will be sprayed on your face and the droplets has to enter, right? So if the mask is fitted properly, then obviously it won't be able to enter and you can't taste it. But if it is not fitted properly, then you will be able to taste that very sweet or very bitter fluid. We have to taste, no, don't. So it's a very important tool which will help in keeping the entire staff safe. Oh, so see what they have to say about it. The sprays are solutions that taste very bitter or very sweet. The person wearing the mask has a solution sprayed on their face, which simulates the droplets created by coughing. So if they can taste it, the mask doesn't fit properly. Otherwise, it is faulty, and they can immediately get the other one. है ना? Yes. Okay. So the next one is computer-aided drug design added to global fight against COVID. So this company is the first one, UCB. It is the first pharma company to join the COVID moonshot crowdsourcing initiative. So what they are doing is they are encouraging the people out there, okay, you have any design, you have synthesized anything, then submit it. Okay, so that is what they are doing, and it is the first pharma company to join the COVID moonshot crowdsourcing, encouraging anyone to submit designs to be synthesized and tested. Sometimes, because of lack of the funding and all that, we will just sit quiet. We will be like, okay, mujhse nahi hoga. But this UCB, it is encouraging people like the researchers, the chemists out there to synthesize, and we can test it. If it is working well, then let's bring it out. And they are building, or they are producing a drug that is highly targeted which aims to counteract the viral replication element of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. This is very, very important because it is mutating, right? Every day we are hearing, okay, there is new variant now. So maybe I really hope they will be successful in producing this highly targeted drug that can stop the replication, that can stop the spread of this COVID-19. Yes. So the first, they have tested few compounds and the results are encouraging. So let's hope there will be an end to all this and we will get to go outside and meet our friends. Don't you think we don't even miss our old life? Very good. Okay. So what Mark has to say, who is the CADD at UCB, I'm learning a lot from so many talented individuals across the world of medicinal chemistry. And they are proud that UCB can contribute our own expertise to such an important project with the potential to help so many people across our planet. It's such a great initiative actually. So I'm really proud of what others are doing out there so that everyone can fight against COVID, or maybe one day, one good day, we can say tata bye bye. Yes. Okay. I see only in the chat section. Is everything okay? Cool. So what do you feel? What do you feel after learning about so many companies working so hard, working non-stop to make sure that the entire world will be safe? What do you feel? Okay. I'm still waiting for an answer. So there are so many examples. I have picked only few. There are so many examples where the companies are, if they are unable to provide the materials or the masks or sanitizer, they are just giving out the fund. And there are so many NGOs which are helping everyone. Once I opened Instagram and all that, you can see how nice, how sweet people are. So if you can do something, you know what it is? Let's stop the spreading of this virus. So what should we do? Wear a mask, clean your hands, maintain safe distance, and if you are eligible, get vaccinated. It is very, very, very important. So I have my first dosage is done. Yay! I'm just waiting for the second one. They are. I'm so sorry, Raghav. I'm so sorry to hear that. Yes? Shall we do it? Yes? Are we doing all this? Yes or no? Yes or no? That's what. Only if you are eligible. That's what I said. Yes. I know. Most of you are not. I would request all of you not to spam. That's what, Pranav, let me know in the comment section, what are your ideas about what can be done to stop the spread? Because you have been learning biology and chemistry, so you will have an idea, and every idea, every thought will be appreciated. Do let me know in the comment section. So how can I stop this? What is your idea? Even it might be completely unrelated to chemistry as well. Generally what people have to do, or what is your idea about stopping the spread? Okay, will you let me know? It's not useless. See, that's what. Please take that thought out and throw it away. Every thought is important. I'll be really happy if any of my students can come up with, ma'am, maybe we can do this. Yes. Every question, every thought, every idea is always important. As I told you, most of the inventions or discoveries, they were all accidents. Not many of them knew what they were doing, right? It's all about, okay, let me do something, let me try something, let me be unique. That is the reason we all learn about them. Yes. Shall we do it? Shall we do it? Come on, come on. Make sure to hit the like button first. Make sure to hit the like button. Come on, let's get that 50 likes first. Okay. So I had last week a session where I had asked you a question, and here is the answer. I hope you have submitted the answer. Okay. See, it contains all the different kinds of carbon atoms: primary, tertiary, secondary, everything. So Bharat, we don't know. Let's not expect that. Maybe if you can bring a change in other people's life, that is very important, I feel. है ना? Don't you think that is more important? And here is some excellent news. So for the first time in this academic year, I will be taking a pro exclusive micro course, which is starting from 8th for all the teachers. Mine will be from 8th July, 6:15 to 7:15, and this is only for pro students. And I will be teaching you all the tips and tricks, important topics of all the chapters in CBSE grade 10, so that you can score 100% in chemistry. There are so many students, I guess, Naman, and there are so many of them in my batch. So there are students who come and say, ma'am, I got 15 out of 15 or 20 out of 20. So let's try to get that 100% in chemistry with the various quizzes, and I will be conducting some activities as well, and previous year question papers. We will be doing everything which will prepare a student to score 100% in chemistry, which is starting from 8th July, that is next Thursday, 6:15 to 7:15. That is when I am taking this pro exclusive micro courses. If you have not enrolled yet, make sure to enroll, but before that you have to take up the pro subscription. If you are wondering, ma'am, like I get everything on YouTube, is that true? The answer is no. Why? So want to join us, gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks? Yes, everyone wants to. If not you, then all the family, the relatives, the friends, the neighbors, everyone wants you to, right? But do not do it for others. But if you want to gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks, then you need to join us. Why? So here is a promise which the entire team has made. That is Vedantu Improvement Promise. What is it? So you must have come across Amir Khan's ad, right? It was there, like, my dad is like, Surabhi, see Vedantu. Yes. So it is not only your responsibility to excel, to improve, right? It is our responsibility too. So we have taken that responsibility on us. We are guaranteeing you that there will be an improvement in your performance. Otherwise, you will get your course fee back. Yes. The entire, whatever you have paid, you will be getting it back. Then why can't you just try it, right? If there is improvement, then very good. That's what you wanted. That's what you were looking for. You were looking for a platform which will help you to score well. Like how these people are working hard every single day so that we all can live in peace, right? Without COVID. In the same way, the entire team of Vedantu is coming up with such nice activities, with such nice plans, so that every student can get high quality education. So first, there will be unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes, which is very, very important, because I know whenever there is a quiz, whenever there is competition, we will try to put in our 100%, right? And then you will be competing with the students from different states, different countries. That will really help you to realize where I stand. Okay. So even if I enter a competitive exam, even if I have to attempt a competitive exam, so these are the areas where I can improve. These are the areas where I'm already good at. That is very important. And after every session, you will get the interactive replays, which I will be showing now. And tests will be conducted regularly. That is also important. Okay, what is this? Can you all see this? Okay, see here. So all you have to do is go to the description, click on vedantu.com, and then you need to choose your class. If you are in 9th or 10th or 6th, 7th, 8th, see, we cater for all these students. So I'll choose class 10 and then target exam. Okay. So these are the plans. So if you have used the coupon code SURPRO, that is SURPRO, because as you have stayed till the end, so this is something which we are giving, you will be able to save 10%. Not only that, as you have once you take, this is only for long term, but the micro courses you can enroll into any, they are free. You will get the notes after every session, handwritten notes of the master teachers. Tests and assignments will be conducted regularly. So if you want, you can take the Pro Lite or Pro Classic or Pro Plus, but I would say Pro Lite is enough because you will be getting everything, live interactive online classes, assignments and notes. I have already told you this, right? Yes, so all you have to, you can either buy the entire course or try for 1 month. As you know about the VIP, you can go and buy the entire course because we are guaranteeing you that there will be improvement in your performance. So if you are wondering where I get the session replay and all that, see, this is a session which I took yesterday, and 505 doubts were asked, out of which 504 doubts were solved. Yes, that's a lot of doubts. That is what we are promising, that all the doubts, all your doubts will be solved in class. Isn't that great? So you can join us on Vedantu Pro and you can enroll into this amazing micro course. Not only from my side, like I guess the Vyasha ma'am is also starting 3 micro courses, and even Abhishek sir, Amrit sir, Anubha ma'am. So you can enroll into all the micro courses so that you will be able to gain a lot of knowledge. But before that, you need to get the Pro subscription. So I'll see you on the platform. Thank you so much. Yeah. How many classes do I take? Every single day I take 4. Yeah. Hi Ipshita, and if you are wondering, okay, is that too much and all that, please divide it by the number of sessions you are taking, because we are promising you that there will be unlimited live classes plus micro courses which are absolutely free of cost, right? If you divide everything, then per session you will be paying a lot lesser than what you would pay when you go out and step out, like, you know, egg plate, pani puri or whatever, right? Even one cornetto costs so much, right? But the amount of knowledge you will be gaining is so nice. Okay then, thank you so much. I will see you in my next session. Till then, please take care and make sure to hit the like button. Come on everyone. Asya, very soon. What's your answer? What's your question, Ayush? Yes, bio, right? Yay, that's nice. You can turn up. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much. You had a doubt, na?